So we're going to do a cold start, but I want to show you this hydraulic emergency brake. To set the emergency brake, you step on the brake pretty hard, and then this little hydraulic handle here, you just pull it. Now the brake is on, okay? So we're going to do a cold start. All you have to do is turn on the battery switch, and you've got your water temperature, your oil pressure, and your RPM right here. And all you got to do is click fuel pump and ignition and press this starter button, and there we go.